second with the wind noise. Oh. We'll get in the tram shout in a sec. Well, when we can cross. And the bugger will let me cross. Yay! Just bob in the tram shouter and talk. Hang on, I'll show you the sea first. It's not that bad now, is it? Oh, it says. It's a bit choppy out there. See that rainbow? Can you see that rainbow? Is it coming out? Right, I'm not sure if the tide's coming in or out, to be fair, but bear with me. Wow! Let's get in this tram shout. It might be right. Good morning, and welcome once again to our Blackpool Biker on what is obviously a very windy, cold morning. Hope everyone's well and staying safe. So, not done a video for a few days. A lot know why, because I've been at the hospital this, that and the other with Mandy's daughter having chest problems, this, that and the other, so we've been sorting that out over the weekend. I did put something on. I thought I'd put it on Old Blackpool Biker, but I think I put it on personal, to be honest. So for those that don't know, over the weekend and everything, I've been at the Vic, trying to sort a young girl out. Not, well, mid-20s, you know what I mean, but to me at my age, young. So yeah, apologies once again. I have spoke personally, but obviously Queen Bee, who I couldn't get to meet over the weekend, Woody, Top Woody Ann, hope you had a great anniversary. I did pop something on yesterday, I believe, and then obviously I couldn't even meet yesterday because I'd forgotten. I was in Darwin yesterday and then Accrington, so apologies, it's just been one of them weekends, you know, and yesterday I had to sort things out as well, so apologies that there's been no videos on over the weekend. Look at the state of this. That's just mad, isn't it? So we might have a little walk down. I've got to go down to Cocker Street anyway, so we'll have a little walk, but please be warned, it's obvious it's going to be bloody windy. We're in Blackpool on the 7th, is it? Tuesday the 7th. So it's going to be windy. But we'll have a look at the sea on the way down, you know, and show you. I know there's been birthdays as well. I did say to, I'm sorry, we've been at the Vic and what have you. It's a nightmare at the Vic over the weekend. I think every hospital's the same nowadays, isn't it? But one thing that came to mind on the Saturday when we took Mandy's daughter in, it was going to be about 6 hours for an ambulance apparently. I'm like, what? So that's why we ended up taking. So anyway, we will have a wander down the prom, but you can hear this shouters just falling to bits. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it rattling, but it's not my brains, because there is none rattling around in the skull. Look at the state of it though. You just like, what is going on, man? It's a tidy job, that, isn't it? Yeah, so we'll have a walk down towards Cocker Street. I've got to go to the shop. Believe it or not, no prizes for guessing that, by the way. So we'll have a wander down. But please be warned, there's going to be wind noise. It's Blackpool on the 7th of November. I think it's the 7th, Tuesday. Bonfire was Sunday, weren't it? Monday? Yeah, so 7th. It's about 8:15, you know, 8:20. So we'll have a wander down anyway. I'll show you the sea, and that is really rough. It's starting to rain now as well. Oh, I hope we caught that rainbow before. Over the Irish Sea, looking west, as it was. Oh, what a nasty morning. Look at that cloud above. That's just a little bit on the grey side, shall we say. Oh, excuse me. Still not totally over that cold and what have you yet, you know, the chest and what have you. Still not totally over it. It actually looks like the tide's going out. Bet that was rough before. Oh, I've forgotten about that. Got to delete some videos off the phone. Only got 20 minutes left. This is only going to be a short one anyway, just down Cocker Street, show you what's happening. You see the queues going down towards Talbot Square here. No, at North Pier, for those that don't know Talbot Square. Yeah, the queues start around here. Let's turn round. I'm still not sure what's happening to Tiffany's, by the way. Look, you see the queues going right down. Oh, God. Yeah. So we'll try and get a couple of videos done. I have got plans, but obviously I was meant to be doing something over the weekend, but obviously they changed. Yeah, Pug needs to go in for an MOT as well. I think it's due on the 25th or something like that, so I want to get her in a bit early just to see if she's worth salvaging, or if it's you need a new car bike time. We'll see. Touch wood, fingers crossed and all that. So yeah, I'll have to do that. I'll have to ring my mate, get her booked in. I'm not sure if we're on quite high tides at the moment as well, aren't we? I'm not sure if you can hear any of this, by the way, because the wind's so... And that... There's that bite. There's a real bite now on the wind. Very right bite. Oh. Blimey. Breakfast time in Dacia's. Sun looks like it's trying to come out over there towards the east, southeast. So yeah, so apologies for no videos over the weekend or for a few days. And yeah, we've got another walk along the prom, North Prom, which is as per, but we do that anyway. So, and it's just, to be fair, it's just easy for me, 'cause it's not far from Biker Towers, obviously. Oh. But honestly, it's a right bite on that wind. Right bite. That's a cafe, by the way, in town as well, right by. Oh, let's have a look here in a minute. Oh, enough of that. Wow, that doesn't half take your breath away, seriously. Right, let's see if we can cross here. Looks like I might have pressed the button there. So we might just get over. Yeah, they have. Watch out for trams, biker lad. There we go. Nice little gap in there. You see they press the button at the lights. Yeah, so Cocker Square, this is where the baths used to be. Cocker Baths. I never personally knew them because I didn't get the Blackpool till 78. But apparently they weren't that great. Cockroaches, this, that and the other. Apparently, so the stories are. General Street here as well leads you right into town. So, and obviously Cocker Street, named after William Cocker, 3 times mate. Oh, wow. Right, we'll leave it here then. Most of all, stay safe, you know what it is. Have a cracking day.